Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. How are you?
I'm good.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Okay, today is Monday and the date is 12th of October. Excellent, 2020. And we are studying science. We stopped in page 66. We were talking about the design process. Okay, can you predict or tell me what is the design process? What are the steps that we follow to improve or to even invent something? Yes, Rayana, you have an idea?
No, I didn't raise my hand.
Oh, I thought you raised your hand. Sorry. So guys, do you have any idea? The first thing you do to make a design. Yes, Talia.
Find the problem.
Great job. Find the problem. What shall you do next, Rihanna? Are you raising your hand?
Yeah.
Okay. What shall you do?
Plan and build.
Plan and build. Excellent. Excellent. What else?
Test and improve.
Improve. Great job. Test and improve.
Redesign. Resign.
Redesign. If it's not good, you are going to redesign. Excellent.
And communicate.
And communicate. Tell people about it. Good job. Good job. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Okay. Today we are going to see an example for the design process. Look at this boy. What he's doing, this boy. He's playing what? He's playing on a skateboard.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Lynn, can you read for me this paragraph, please?
Okay. What is the design process? It has been said that the necessity is the mother of an inventor. But once you find a need, how do you build your inventions? That's a design process.
Yes. When you find your need, you are going to build your invention. This is the design process. Now let's see. This is a skateboard. This boy is playing with a skateboard. We are going to talk about the skateboard today. What is design? Design is what? Design means to conceive something and prepare the plans and drawings for it, to build it, okay? Engineers use the design process to develop new technology, but anyone can follow the design process. So engineers, they follow the design process to do what? To give us new technology or to improve new technology. But everyone can follow the design process. Why is that? We can always improve our stuff, make it more useful to find our needs, okay? For example, let's look at this skateboard. This was first skateboard they invented. It doesn't really look like the new one or the one that the boy is riding, okay? Look, the wheels are very big and they are made of what? Can you tell me? These wheels are made of what? Anyone? Yes, Lian?
It's made out of iron.
Made out of iron, yes. Okay, or metal. Yes, thank you. Okay. From basic to complex, skateboards have changed over time. Now tell me, what did they change in this one? Maria, you raised the hand. Can you tell me?
They changed the material on top and they made it more like round.
Excellent, excellent. They changed the material. What about the wheels? Are they the same wheels?
Smaller. They're
Smaller. What about the material? Is it the same?
No.
Okay, this one is iron or metal. What about this one?
I think, I don't know.
Maybe it's hard plastic or rubber?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Maria. Now, what about this one? Look at this one. They made it even bigger or wider. Let's say the place where you put your feet on, it's wider. Okay? All of that changes just to meet our need and to make it even better. Okay? Let's see. This is the design process step. FPTRC. Find the problem, plan and build, test and improve, redesign and communicate. These are the steps. Please, guys, go to page 67 and circle the design process, please. Just like that. This is very important. Important. Okay, guys? This is the design process. Now, I want someone to read for me what is a prototype. I want you to read this paragraph alone, then explain for me what is a prototype. And I'll give you a minute. Start now.
Prototype is an original or test model.
No, please mute your microphone while you are reading.
Miss, I finished reading.
Okay, 1 minute didn't finish yet.
Miss, why did you write A-M, then I-M, then underline, line under it 2 times? Important. Ah, okay. Done.
Okay, guys, who can tell me what is a prototype? Raise your hand, let me see you. Okay, yes, Talia, tell me, what is a prototype?
A prototype is an original or a test model on which real product is based if the prototype works.
Okay, can you explain to me in simple words, what do you mean? What is a prototype?
A prototype is something like we test it.
Excellent, we test it. So what is it?
It's a model.
Excellent, good job, Talia. Yes, so a prototype, it's an original or test model. See, it can be original and it can be a test model on which a real product is based. So if the prototype works, then the real product is made. See, they never made the real product, or they produce the real product or put it in market before they test it. They must make tests and they improve and they see if it's good enough to be out there or not. Now, if the prototype works, then the real product will be made, okay? Usually after testing a prototype, improvements have to be made. What do I mean by improvements? Yes, who knows? Who have an idea? Yes, Rayana?
It means improve?
Improve, to make things good, better, or worse?
Improve.
To make things good, better, or worse? What does improve mean? Hi, Italia. Do you have an idea?
Improve means
to make things good or not? Guys, improve mean to make things better, to make things work better, be better, look better, okay? To make things not good as the first one, but better, but even more better. Okay, guys?
I was gonna say better, but Ariana wanted to say the
It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. The prototype is then tested again. They will test the prototype again. So it's not only once. They have to make it again and again and again, okay? Finally, a finished product is made. When your prototype is very good and it meets all the criteria it needs, then the product will be made. Okay. What is the first thing in the design process? We identify the need or the problem. Guys, you can underline with me, okay? You can underline with me. Next, you brainstorm and write down ideas, okay? On how to plan and build a potential solution. A potential solution, I mean by a potential solution, a solution you think it is going to work. Once you have some options, select a solution to try. Yes, you are going to try. Usually engineers test possible solution using a prototype. So when you are thinking of a solution, definitely you are going to make a prototype and make a test on it. I think this is enough. Is that right? Hi, Leon. Happy to see you. Okay, guys.
Miss, I'm sorry I'm late, but my voice was gone for a second.
It's okay, Leon. You are very welcome as long as you catch up with us. Okay? Okay, my dear? I'm so happy to see you. Now, even something seemingly simple takes a lot of thought, planning, testing, and improvements. Not only complicated things take time, even simple things can take time to make improvements. Okay, guys? I want to do a small exercise with you. Look page 67 over here. In your book and not from my screen, please. From your book, guys. Open to page 67 and 66. Did you all open it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I want you to look at the skateboards, okay? You have a skateboard on both two pages, okay? Describe 2 design features that have been improved over time. This one over here is the last one. You know, that is the newest one, okay? This is the last one they improved. And on your left side, you will find the first one. I want you to tell me 2 features that they improved, okay, over time. I want Leanne and Maria to answer me. Okay, guys? Be ready.
Okay.
Miss, can you repeat the question? I didn't hear it all this time.
How about if you try to read it?
Okay. I just read it. But I didn't hear all what you're saying.
I didn't say anything, Rayana. I'm waiting for you to think about it. Huh,
No,
Leanne?
before it.
before you didn't hear me asking this question. Look at the skateboard and describe
No.
2 design features that have been improved over time.
Even when you was describing everything, and it was hearing you.
Okay, Rayana, you will find up here, this is the final design, the final look, okay? This is the latest one. And on the left side in your book, you will find the first one. Okay? So over time, what did they change? 2 features. Are you ready, Layan? Okay, can you tell me? Can you start? Give me one feature because I want Maria to give me the another one.
Like you want what do you mean? Like you want something, the same thing of the both, like something they used in the same in the other skateboard?
No, I need the opposite. See, I want you to tell me what did they change in the new skateboard over time? What did they change? And this change make it better.
That the wait, let me 1 minute.
What did they improve over time about the skateboard? This was the first one, okay? This one. After that, they made this one and this one. It's in your book more clear, so you can see it even better.
Okay, here you see this here, this circle. Okay, this this is a circle. It's not that big, so people can put their legs in. But here it can take like both legs and change the shape. The shape is like another. It's like something else.
Nice. Thank you, Layan. All answers are accepted, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much, Layan. Okay, Maria, can you tell me what is the another feature, the another thing they changed over time?
Well, on the latest one, maybe it's possible if you're really good at skateboarding, maybe like 2 people can like do it. Or like one can skateboard, the other one can sit here.
Okay, good
And
way
then
of
it has
thinking.
a
I
space
love
in
it.
the middle. It has
Mhm,
a space in the middle.
mhm.
And this one, the first one, here, I don't really know what this black thing is.
This one?
Like a skateboard.
No,
Oh, okay. Here,
this,
this one.
yeah, this one.
Okay, it's fine. Thank you, Maria. Thank you.
Wait,
Just let me tell you, a skateboard, only one person can ride on it, okay? But I think what you mean that they improved the new skateboard to make it more flexible and have more space to move around. I think this part and this part can move each one alone, okay? So maybe this is what you meant?
Yes.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
I thought the blue one was the new one.
No, this one is the new one. Look in your book. Can you see it in your book? Can you see page 66 and 67? They are all together. So in a row, you can see the changes, what happened between them, the new skateboards. What about materials? Maria told us from the beginning of this class about the materials, that they changed the materials. The first one, lead. Can you tell me from your book, the first one, what was it made of what?
It was made out of wood.
Excellent. What about the new one? The new one over here, is it?
It was sharp. It was made out of I think it's made. It's just like made out of wood, but they spray brown, black, or it's like made out of obsidian.
Okay, guys.
Miss, I wanted to add something very
Yes, Layan.
I wanted just to say that they have something one in common that I see. They
Yes.
have something in common that you see in here. Wait. You see here this one here.
Mhm.
It's tall, okay, and this one
You mean
it's tall
long?
too. Yes, long. So they
Yes.
are both the same. Um, they are both long. That's the
Yes.
only thing I see. It's in
Okay,
common.
good, Leon. I love when you compare between things because comparing is one skills of a scientist. This is very good.
Of an
Excellent.
everyday science skill.
Yes, everyone here is a scientist and I'm loving it. Now, I want you to write only two things from this answer, only two things. So you can write wooden boards have been replaced with plastic and metal wheels have been replaced with rubber wheels. You can write only these two. Also, the single board was replaced with two movable parts. See, over here, it has two movable parts. Each one can move alone. Unlike this one over here, it's only one part and it's the only part can move. Okay? If you
This
finish
is the
writing,
oldest skateboard, but here is the newest skateboard.
yeah.
Are they going to do any other skateboards?
Of
Nobody
course.
knows.
Engineers will never stop until you find a problem in it, Talia. They can make an improvement on it and redesign it and make it again and again. Every time you find a problem in it, if you suggest on an engineer to solve it for you, he will do it. So they are going to make a new one. Of
Yeah,
course.
and Miss,
I thought
I have
nobody knows.
Yeah, there were engineers will never stop. Scientists will never stop learning, improving. Also, you shouldn't be stopped. You have to move on and continue doing your work, learning more, being better to be a better scientist. Okay,
Miss,
girls?
I have also an evidence that engineers never stop. Every day when I go out from the house, I see them still working at the house.
And I hear them
Yes, excellent.
always.
Even though
Okay,
it's a
guys.
very big problem in the
Good.
country, they never stop.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Leon. Thank you, Leon. Okay, guys, please don't worry about the writing. I will send the answer key later after the lesson finish. So can I move on to our next page?
Yes, I'm already done.
Okay, guys, please don't worry about the writing. You can even write it from your mind. If you understand it, you can write it because all
I just want
answers
to
are
write
accepted.
parts.
Okay, a design you can use. I want you to look around you at all the things you see every day. Do you have ideas about improving them? Look around you and tell me about invention or something engineers made and you want to make it even better. Look around you in your room. Yes, Talia.
They made these. They're wooden drawers, but if I would improve them and add, like, if you knock on it, glass will come and it will pick for you your outfit.
Really? You want a
Yes,
robot?
yes, a robot, so he can do my chores.
Nice, nice. Okay. What about your light? What do you want?
I
Yes, yes, Lynn.
Miss.
And then
Miss,
Rayana. Lynn?
I really want to. I think. Uh, they had these like they have like a TV in our
Yes.
house and we pick whatever like we want, but then I would expect if it's like if I like snap
Okay, you
jump
want to
3 times.
say orders to the TV. For example,
So I can-
open
so I
to
can-
channel 32 and it will open directly.
Yeah.
Nice,
Yeah,
cool. What
like
about you, Rihanna?
I want a bed like a small bed. Then when I just how we say it, I let it bigger with
Huh?
a handle maybe.
Ah, okay.
It's a small bed. Then with
Okay.
the handle I make it 2 beds.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Good, good. So you want
So
your
a
bed.
space.
Oh, so you have more space. Nice, cool. Okay, let's see what do we have here.
You forgot about me.
I'm sorry. Yes, Leanne. Yes, Leanne. Sorry. Yes,
Leanne.
Leanne.
Instead of we writing the by the pencil, I would rather bring a book,
Mm-hmm.
and then I would let it see the answer, and then it could copy it anytime. Like I would now here, let's say the same here. Improve this one here. I would just make it near to the board, and then it could copy it in 2 seconds. Then I'm
Nice.
done. I don't need to make a hard work.
Cool. See, this is the way how you should think. First of all, you think about who needs it. Who needs your invention or the thing you are doing? Find the problem about it. See, what is it? What the problem about it? Does it need to be easier, better, safer? What do you want to improve? The safety, or to be easy, or to or there is a problem that it can't work this way but it can work in different way. So you need to know who needs it and what do you need in it. Yes, Talia, what do you need?
What Leanne said, that TVs, when like you said TV open like channel 28, it opens. I like to pretend it does that, but then inshallah when I grow up I'm going to actually make the TV like that.
Nice, cool.
This,
I like
my
to
dad
take the remote.
said,
I like to take
Inshallah.
the remote, hide it next to me, and do TV open, whatever. Then it's
Miss,
pretend it
Cool. Sounds
my
like
dad
magic.
said,
do it.
Miss, can I tell you something?
Of course, you can tell me whatever you want.
My dad said, I told him before, my dad said that there is a TV, you just do like this, and then it walks with you. And then I
Really? It's a
told him-
virtual
Yes.
TV?
Yes, he said that they're like still making it. There's the TV.
Nice.
You just
Where do I
do
get
like
that
this,
TV?
like this, and like this.
They're still
this.
making it, Talia.
Yes.
Nice, nice.
So I
Okay.
said I said to my dad, if it came, we will be the first people to buy it.
Oh, cool. Okay, guys, I can see you, Lynn. I'll be back to you just a minute. I'll be back to you, Lynn. Now, after you think, what if I do this to this invention? What if I make it this to this invention? So you want it to be easier, or to make it better, or to make it safer? Whatever you think,
I know.
you need to make a prototype. What do I mean by a prototype? To make a test version of your design, of your thoughts, of your whatever you wanted to do with it, okay? Now, look at this skateboard. It turns fairly well, but what if it could go around curves even better? See, this is a scientist talking. He wants to make the skateboard even better. So he will just start to make his own design process. First of all, he will do the sketches, detail drawing, and the sketch detail drawing are really important for a design process. So he can make his own plan and build, okay? Look at the wheel, the trucks, the deck. He's looking at them Oh, what should I change? What should I do? What if I put a bigger wheel? What if I put a smaller trucks? What if I make this deck split into two? So he's asking himself, would it be better? Would it be safer? Would it be easier? Would it be smoother? So you are thinking, what do you want to, how to make it better, okay? Every part of a product can become an opportunity for a design change. So every part of it is opportunity for you to make a change, okay, to make improvements. Now, this is, I want you to do it as a homework, page 69, please. Page 69. I want you to do it as a homework, okay? I want you to draw a blueprint of a school supply, okay? Supply, school supply, or a favorite toy, or a tool. Label its parts and include exact measurements, okay? I want you to label the parts and tell me the exact measurements. What do I mean the measurement? How long, how tall, or how much
How
does
I
it
gonna
weight?
know?
Oh, you
Miss,
can
how I
use
gonna-
measuring tools.
But Miss, I don't have how to gonna measure it.
A measuring
The
tools.
tall.
You have a
I don't
ruler.
have.
You can draw your book.
No.
It's yes. You don't have a ruler. I'm very sure you have a ruler. Everyone
But
has
I
a
have a
ruler.
measure tape.
Okay, good, great. Then look around you and see if you have a school supply or a favorite toy or even a
I'm
tool.
gonna
And
choose a favorite.
yes, and take measurement of it and tomorrow show it to me. Okay, guys?
Okay.
This is your homework.
Miss, we
And
have a homework.
electronic homework.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
you will find
Why
it
are
after.
we today?
Yes, you will find it
Teacher,
after we
teacher.
finish. Okay, guys?
Teacher,
Time
I
is
forgot
up.
to tell you something.
Okay, Leon, I want you to tell me something. Just let me stop recording because time is up. Then I'll take your question. And please, guys, I would like you to sign in on time to your next session. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.